Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to find your IP address on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, navigate to the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. Once the application appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window that opens, type the command ipconfig and then press the spacebar followed by / and the word all. Press Enter to execute the command. After the command has run, you will see a lot of information displayed. Locate the section labeled Wireless LAN Adapter Wi-Fi or similar if you are connected via Wi-Fi, or Ethernet adapter if you are connected via a wired connection. Within this section, find the line that says IPv4 address. The numbers listed next to IPv4 address are your computer's IP address. For instance, it might look something like 192.168.1.6. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.